Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video guys, we will see how you can get the contacts from Microsoft Outlook account, and also how you can add a new contact to Outlook account using ASP.NET. So first of all, what we will see is, so this is my Outlook account that I have login with, and here on the people icon here, you can click here and you will see the contact. So here I have just one contact here, and I will see how we can get that in the code. Okay. So we will use the Microsoft Exchange service here. So this is the fixed URL. You have to use this URL, and then you will need the username and password of the Outlook account that you have login with, and here we will try to fetch the contact from that URL. Okay, so we will run this and we will see if we are able to get the contact from that. So below you can see that we are using the same service for adding a new contact also, and for adding the contact we will use contact.save. Now what is contact? Contact is the class available in the Exchange service. So this is available in this namespace, so you can add that in your project. Okay. So I will also let you know from where you can get the code, so don't you worry about that part. We will also add you a direct link in the video description, and from there you can get the code and try on your end. So here you can see we have got the username and password, and then we are trying to access the contact folder, and here it says that it have only one item available. So you have to pass like how many contacts you want to get. You can get 50 contacts at one time only. So then we will find the items, and here you will get the contact items from the API. So here you can see that we have got one contact, and you will see the name here, display name Brian David Johnson, and this is the same contact. If you go here, you can see the name Brian David Johnson, so this means that the contact is working fine. Okay, so you can get the contact like this. Now we will also see about adding the contact. So we will, so currently I have only one contact there, and here I am trying to execute the add contact code again. So that should add one more contact, even though I have passed the static data here, and the other contact is also having the same data, so there will be multiple contacts with the same details. So here you can add the details as per your requirements, and we can add the email address 1 and email address 2 as well, and the addresses, and then save the contact. So now we will go to the screen, and here we will try to refresh the screen. So it can take some seconds to um, show the newly added contacts there. So we will just run the code and we will try to get the contacts again. So maybe because the details are same, so that's why they didn't added the new contact. So we will modify the details a little and we will modify the emails also. Okay, now we will again try to add the contact. So now we have modified the details, so we will be able to see if this gets added correctly there. So here we will again try to refresh the data. So you can see this time we can see the new contact also. So earlier because that was the same detail, so it didn't added the new one. So now it have added. So this is how you can add and get contacts from Microsoft Exchange Service and Outlook. For the code part, what you can do is you can go to our official website code2night.com and here you can search for contacts and you will see Microsoft Outlook get and add contact ASP.NET MVC. So you can open up that blog and you will be able to download the code from here and also see the code which I just showed you in the video. So you can also join us on WhatsApp if you want, and thank you guys, and if you face any kind of issue then you can comment on the video. So thank you guys.